Hello children, how are you? Okay, now take your science book with your classwork note and pencil. Children, open your book. Lesson 1. In this lesson, we'll learn about parts of plants and types of plants. Yes or no? What is the type of plant? Two types are there. One is trees, another one small plants like shrubs, herbs, then creeper, climbers. Very good. Are you understand? Okay children, now we are going to check your yesterday homework. Page number 6. Open your book. Page number 6. Yes, quick check. Select the correct answer. First one, which amongst the following is the biggest plant? இதில் கொடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்கிறதுல எது பெரிய பிளான்ட் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Which one? Have you done it? Yes. Option: mint plant, coconut plant, spinach plant. Look at the screen. I gave your homework correction. You check your homework, all of you. Take your pencil. The first one answer is coconut plant. Those who are correct, very good. Those who are wrong, rub and circle. Second one, the banana plant is a herb because option is it has green colored stem, it is smaller than a mango tree, it is bigger than a rose plant. Which is the answer? It has green colored stem. Circle it. Okay. Children, turn the page number 12. Next homework, activity 1. Did you write your homework? Yes. Look at the book, page number 12. Have you taken? Activity 1. Visit to the school garden. Children, I said to you, we are in the home, so you want to visit your home garden. Yes or no? Okay. The first question, name of the shrub is. What is your answer? What did you write? Okay. Now look at the screen. Name of the shrub is rose. Okay. Second one, it is a dash plant. It is a big or small, very big plant. Small plant. Very good. Second one, look at the screen and check it your homework. Small plant. Third one, it grows in dash season. It can grow all season and lives for few years. Check your homework. Look at the screen if you want. Look at the screen and write. Check your homework. Is there any spelling mistake? Rub and write once again. Okay, fourth one, the flower are dash colored. I gave red color. There is many types of colors. Yellow, white, pink. Yes or no? But I gave red. Which color you like, you can write. Its leaves are dash, small, big, long, round. What? Looking small. Very good. Small. Right? All of you write. The screen. Check your homework. Okay. Look at the next page, page number 13, activity 3. Did you finish this homework? Okay. Those who didn't finish, you want to done it, okay? Children, let's come to the lesson. In this lesson, we learned about trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers, yes or no? Okay, are you understand about that? Today, we are going to learn about thorny plants. What is the meaning of thorny? முட்கள் நிறைந்த செடி. இது ஒரு வகையான செடி, முட்கள் நிறைந்த வகை செடி. These plants have hard and sharp points on it. இதுக்கு மேல ரொம்ப ஹார்டான and ஷார்ப்பான முட்கள் நிறைஞ்சிருக்கும். The sharp points are called thorns. இந்த ஹார்டான ஷார்ப்பான முட்கள் பேர் என்னது? Thorns. Now look at the book, all of you. Plants that have sharp outgrowths to discourage plant-eating animals from eating them are called thorny plants. Children, these are all thorns for that plant-eating animal, no? They discourage plant-eating animals from eating them are called thorny plants. அந்த இலைகளை சாப்பிடக்கூடிய அனிமல் கிட்ட இருந்து தன்னை காப்பாத்திக்கிறதுக்காக இந்த தானி பிளான்ட்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணுது? மேலே ஃபுல்லா முள்ளா உருவாகி இருக்குது. They may have spines, thorns or prickles. இது பேர் என்னது? 3 வகையான பேரால சொல்லலாம். Spines, thorns or prickles. Next line. In desert areas, these thorns plants are lives in desert area also. Okay. Because it no need more water for grow. இதுக்கு ரொம்ப தண்ணி தேவையில்லை, அதனால it grow in desert areas. Plants have spines which are actually leaves of the plants. Spines help to reduce water loss from the plants. இந்த spines எதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுதுன்னா, அந்த வெயில்னாலேயோ இதனாலேயோ அந்த தண்ணி அதிகமாக அந்த செடிகளுக்கு அதிலிருந்து என்ன ஆகாமல், இந்த ரெடியூஸ் ஆகாமல் லாஸ் ஆகாமல் அந்த காத்துக்கிறதுக்காக அந்த தான்ஸ் வந்து யூஸ் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் லைன். Stem of many plants have sharp outgrowths called thorns. Some plants like the rose have prickles. ஒவ்வொரு பிளான்ட்லேயும் ஒவ்வொரு விதமான என்னது இருக்கும்? இந்த தான்ஸ் இருக்கும். அது ஒவ்வொரு நேம். Some plants have spines, some plants have thorns, some plants have prickles. Okay, but rose plants have prickles. Some of the example of thorny plants are, look at the book, you have 4 pictures. First one, cactus plant. Okay, this is cactus plant, one of the thorny plant. Another one, spinous in Opuntia plants. Next one, thorns in lemon plants. Did you see anybody have in your home lemon tree? Yes, if you want, you go and see, there is thorns. That lemon plants also have thorns. Okay. Next picture, prickles, they are in rose plant. In the rose plant also have thorns. Okay, if you want to touch very carefully. Okay, are you understand about that thorny plants? Yes, thorny plants all have like point and hard sharp point on it. Yes or no? இதுக்கு மேல ரொம்ப ஹார்டான ஷார்ப்பான முட்கள் இருக்கும். Next, these sharp points are called thorns. இந்த ரொம்ப ஹார்டான ஷார்ப்பான பிளேஸ்க்கு பேர் என்னது? thorns. Okay, are you understand? Children, now look at the screen. I have give some picture for you. First one, cactus plant. Can you see the picture? Yes, cactus plant. Next one, spinus. These plants have spinus. Next, lemon plant. It has thorns. Next one, rose. This plant have prickles. Look at the picture. Are you understand? First one have cactus. Next picture have spinus. Next lemon have thorns. Rose plant have prickles. Children, turn next page, page number 8. Now we are going to learn about water plants. What is the meaning of water plants? நீரில் வளரக்கூடிய செடிகள். Okay. Which plants grow in water? These are called water plants, like lotus, lily, etc. These all grow on water, like ponds, lake, river. Okay. Now look at the book, all of you. Plants that grow in water bodies such as ponds, lake, rivers, etc. Ponds la, rivers la, lakes la வளரக்கூடிய அந்த செடிகள் பெயர் என்ன? Water plants are known as water plants. Some of these plants float. They are known as floating plants. சில வகை plants வந்து on water they floating. Okay, so they are called floating plants. For example, lotus and duckweed. Okay, these are one of the floating plants. Many of these plants grow inside water. சில வகையான plants they are grow in the inside of the water. Okay, like seaweed, hydrilla and etc. Children, the hydrilla plant, no, these are used for the some children have in your home that fish tank. Yes or no? We can use this hydrilla plant for decoration the fish tank. Okay. Now look at the book. Many of these plants grow inside the water. They are known as submerged plants. For example, seaweed, hydrilla. These are used for decorate the fish tanks. Okay, if anyone have in your home fish tank, you can buy this like this plant and decoration your fish tanks. Okay, children, water plants have 3 types: water plants, floating plants and submerged plants. Okay. So, okay children, now say some water plants. What are they? Lotus and duckweed. Okay, these are floating on water. Another 2 example for submerged plant: seaweed and hydrilla. Now are you understand about that water plant? Yes or no? Okay. Next, look at the book. Spices have been important to mankind since the beginning of history. Children, அந்த காலத்துல தொடக்கத்துல இருந்தே மனுஷங்க நம்ம எல்லாத்துக்குமே மசாலா லைக் மசாலாலாம் ரொம்ப முக்கியமானதா இருந்துச்சு. லைக் பெப்பர் அண்ட் சின்னமான் வேர் இன் கிரேட் demand then. மிளகு, pepper means, what is the meaning of pepper? மிளகு, மிளகு and cinnamon. லவங்கப்பட்டை, do you know? லவங்கப்பட்டை, yes, எப்பவுமே இது எல்லாமே ஒரு தேவையாவே இருந்துச்சு. Over the ages, herbs have been used to medical purpose and to flavor food items. இது நிறைய வகைகள், இதுல வந்து என்னன்னா நிறைய அந்த காலத்துலேருந்தே நமக்கு ஒரு மெடிக்கல் பர்பஸ்க்காகவும் ஃபுட்டில் டேஸ்ட் கொடுக்கறதுக்காகவும் நம்ம இதை யூஸ் பண்ணோம். ஓகே, நவ் லுக் அட் watch words. Root. The part of the plant that gives support and takes in water and minerals from the soil. We learned no root. About the root? Yes, root is used to take minerals, water and energy from the soil for the tree. Yes or no? Okay. Stem. Next one, stem. Keep your finger and listen nicely. The part of the plant that carries water and food to all other parts of plant. Stem is used to carries water and food to other parts of plants. Leaf. The green part of the plant that makes food. Leaves தான் பிளான்ட்ஸுக்கு வந்து ஃபுட்டை மேக் பண்ணுது. ஓகே. Flower. The beautiful part of the plant that produce seed or fruits. இந்த இது ஃப்ளவர் வந்து ரொம்பவும் அழகான ஒரு பார்ட். இந்த பிளான்ட் it produce what? Seed and fruits. நமக்கு விதையும் பழங்களையும் தருது. Next one, fruit. The part of the plant that has seed inside it. இந்த fruit குள்ள தான் என்னது இருக்கும்? நமக்கு seed கிடைக்கும். Okay. Chlorophyll. A green thing in the leaves which traps sunlight to make food for the plant. இது வந்து சன்லைட்ல இருந்து நம்ம பிளான்ட்டுக்கு தேவையான என்னது ஃபுட்டை மேக் பண்ணதுக்கு இது யூஸ் ஆகுது. ஓகே, ஆர் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் அபவுட் திஸ் லெசன் சில்ட்ரன்? we learn more in this lesson. Yes or no? About the tree, plants, herbs, shrubs, water plant. Yes or no? Are you enjoy with this? Yes. Children, next page number 9. Let us recall. நம்ம இப்போ இவ்வளோ இது என்னெல்லாம் பார்த்தோன்னு நம்ம recall பண்ண போகிறோம். ஓகே. Plants have different parts which help in different ways. Children, we learn plants have different parts. Yes or no? Say some parts of the plant. Stem, root, leaf. Yes, very good. Yes or no? The plants have different types of parts. They also help to different ways. There are different types of plants. Yes, we know that. Different types of plants like shrub, herb, creepers. What is that? Climbers, water plant, thorny plants. Yes or no? Yes, the big, tall and strong plants are called trees. Yes, big and tall and strong plants are called trees. The small but strong plants are called shrubs. The small but weak plants are called herbs. Yes or no? Strong ஆவும் small ஆவும் weak ஆவும் இருக்கிற plants என்னது? Herbs. Very good. The plants which need support to grow are called climbers. எந்த பிளான்ட்டுக்கு சப்போர்ட் வளர்றதுக்கு சப்போர்ட் தேவைப்படுதோ அந்த பிளான்ட் பேர் என்னது? Climber. The plants that grow along the ground are called creepers. எந்த பிளான்ட் கிரவுண்ட்லயே சுத்தி சுத்தி வளருதோ அது என்ன பிளான்ட்? Creepers. Very good. The plants that have thorns, spines or prickles are called thorny plants. எந்த வகையான செடியில முட்கள் அதிகமா இருக்குதோ அதுக்கு பேர் என்ன? முட்கள் நிறைந்த செடி. They protect the plant from being eating. அது எதுக்காக அந்த முட்கள் அந்த செடி மேல இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தோம். மற்ற அனிமல்ஸ், plant eating animals அதை சாப்பிடக்கூடாதுன்னு அது முட்களோட இருக்கு. The plants that grow in water are called water plant. Yes, which plant or grow on water, that is called water plant. Okay, are you understand? Yes. Now I'm going to give you homework. That same page, test match. Okay, tick the correct answer. First one, the hard woody stem of the tree is called dash. Option is root, trunk, flower. You know that the hard woody stem of the tree is called dash. Okay. Second one, plants with weak stem that need support to grow are called dash. Children, we learned. If you want, read the book nicely, then you can understand. You want to tick the correct answer. Third one, the most colorful and beautiful part of a plant is dash, flower, fruit, seed. Which is the most colorful and beautiful part? Think and tick. Fourth one, dash is an example of herb. You want to tick the herb plant. Okay, option is mint, cucumber, duckweed. This is your homework. Okay, you finish it. Tomorrow I will check your homework. Next page. Yes, page number 10. There is fifth one. Dash is an example of a water plant. For option is hibiscus, opuntia, hydrilla, which is the water plant you want to think and tick. Okay. B, name them. You want to write the name. Okay. Each of them you want to write two answer. First one, two differently shaped tree. Two different types of tree. Like shaped. Okay. Shaped tree. You want to write any two. Second one, two herbs. You want to write two herbs names. Third one, two creepers. Fifth one, the floating water plant. We learned, you want to just read the book, then you can understand, you want to write. Fifth one, two submerged water plants. Okay, children, this A and B, your homework. You must write the homework. Okay? Children, now open your classwork note. We are going to read our classworks. Have you opened? Lesson 1. Say louder. Keep your finger on. Plants. 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 Meanings. 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 Leaf. 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 இலை 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 branch 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 கிளை 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 branch கிளை stem 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 தண்டு 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 keep your finger and say louder root or double OT root where where fruit 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 பழம். ப ழ இம் பழம். Seed. S double E D seed. விதை. வி தை விதை. Shrub. SH RUB shrub. புதர். பு த இர் புதர். Herb. HERB herb. மூலிகை. மு லீ கை மூலிகை. Climber. CLIMBER. Have you keep your finger on that? Yes, say louder. Climber. ஏறும் செடி. Creeper. CREEPER creeper. படர்கொடி. First one. Leaf. Say louder. Leaf. இலை. Branch. கிளை. Stem. தண்டு. Root. வேர். Fruit. பழம். Seed. விதை. Shrub. புதர். Herb. மூலிகை. Climber. ஏறும் செடி. Creeper. படர்கொடி. Okay, today you want to study this. Okay, next day I will give test. Study nicely. Next, answer the following. Keep your finger, say louder. Okay, answer the following. What are called big and small plant? What are called big and small plant? A big plant is called tree. Example, mango tree. And small plant are herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers. Once again, a big plant is called tree. Example, mango tree. And small plants are herbs, creepers, climbers. Okay, once again, what are called big and small plant? A big plant is called tree. Example, mango tree. And small plants are shrubs, herbs, creepers, climbers. Okay, second question. Write 5 parts of plant. Say louder. Write 5 parts of plant. Leaf. Say louder. LEAF. Leaf. Branch. 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 Stem. 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 Fruit. 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 root, R double O T, root. Okay, these question also you want to study well. Okay.